What's up, what's up, what's up, everybody? Got an El Cheapo. Sorry about the light. I'm doing this at night. We got the PRO-4 Tactical Multitool. And I'm just going to sit here and say this right now. I'm already judging it. After touching it, I haven't done anything with it, but just squeezing it in my hand and whatnot. This is totally a, what do they call those damn things? Those end cap impulse buys where they put a bunch of shit in the middle of the aisles, try to sell it. Yeah. It's the box it comes in. It's pretty, I really do make it like eye appealing, you know? Hopefully we don't get too much shine and glimmer. Which it looks like we're gonna. You got open construction. Some cheesy ass Pro Tactical thing. It's pretty heavy. It's already like, just, it doesn't really feel good, man. Like it's, I don't know what kind of stainless crap this is, but when you squeeze it, it's spring loaded. Little gap there. I don't close very well. You can see that. So wire cutters, which looks like they overlap each other. Let's see what that's all about. Went in the house and got some pretty thick gauged wire. Yep, it's doing it, but I'll tell you right now, that shit hurts my hand right off the jump. That doesn't feel nice. See, you got your file. And a screwdriver, I'm sure. Nothing is lockable. You got this awl. It's got a little edge on it. Okay. Straighted edge here. Feels kind of pretty crappy. Flathead screwdriver, and this is nothing, so I don't know what, it's not moving. Let's see. Yeah, that thing in the middle right here is nothing apparently. Come over here. That's your blade. Feels kind of crappy. Phillips head. Pretty small. Bottle can opener. Got a little edge on it there. Not sharp. And a small flathead screwdriver, it looks like. And that's it. Alright. Let's test this blade out. Got the serrated edge here. Short wood, I burned it all. What the? Seriously? Wow. Okay. It's dull, like I said, apparently. It's getting me some fuzz. That's good, I guess, right? Fuzz. It's not cutting. Alright. There's no play, but it's not sharp. So, alright, let's try the blade. That's that is painful, man, and it's not sharp. This is a piece of poo. I'm done reviewing this piece of shit. Don't buy this. Save your couple dollars more and get the Ozark Trail 17-in-1 multi-tool. I got a video on that. The black handle, it's way 100%, 200%, way better than that. Don't be fooled by PRO-4 tactical bullshit. Save your money. Sorry about this shitty review, guys. Reaper Militia Sidetracked Outdoors and Gearaholic. This is a shitty video. I don't even know why I'm going to post it. So you don't buy this piece of shit. Peace out.